All eyes were on Tuesday set on the floor of the House as Parliament fumbled to save its face in the Speaker's Kamukunji to marshal up numbers to move a motion that seeks to extend time for the passage of two crucial bills, the County Government Bill and Public Finance Management Bill.
Noting that the Honourable Speaker has certified that there exist exceptional circumstances in accordance with Article 2613B of the Constitution, this House resolves to extend the period prescribed in respect of the enactment of these bills for a period of 5 months, commencing on 27th February 2012.
The phase that we are in now is a 2-year mark, and each of those phases has work that is to be done, whether it is commissions that are supposed to be set up or bills that are supposed to be passed.
Primarily, Parliament had up to an August last year cut-off date to pass the two bills, which is in itself posing a constitutional crisis and by a large extent its dissolution should any citizen contest its performance in the court of law.
What is pending is there are two bills that should have been passed in the last phase, the 1 year 6 months phase, that are yet to be passed, the Public Finance Management Law and the County Government Law. Those bills are still before us. Those ones require the time to be expended because we were supposed to have passed them in August. We have not passed in February. We have not passed them. We need to expand that time.
If there are issues that has to be passed by the National Assembly and the time does not allow, it is within the standing orders that extension of time can be solved through a motion. If Abdikadir is doing that through that way, he is within his mandate as a member of Parliament, as the chairman of CIOC.
Among other legislations pending on the floor of the House is the formation of commissions that have to be put in place before the 27th of August this year.
We have 5 bills that are supposed to be passed within this time, within these timelines. And our view is that those bills should have been published by now, so that Parliament has enough time to debate them. And as a committee, the deadline we are giving for those bills is the 2nd of July, so that all those 5 bills get published by the 2nd of July. So that Parliament has enough time to pass them by the deadline of the 27th of August. Then the 4 commissions that are outstanding, the Land Commission, the Teacher Service Commission, the Public Service Commission, and the National Police Service Commission.
Constitution Implementation Oversight Committee CIOC has already warned of sanctions to any respective ministry if it fails to live within the time frame and mandate.
In the event that any particular ministry or department does not meet its deadlines, we will seek that they don't get to transact any business on the floor of the House until that business gets done. Number 4, in the event that the delay persists, we will then seek for Parliament to take other sanctions, including financing that particular department, because we feel it is very critical that we conclude the business of implementing the Constitution within the timelines that are provided.
If there will be need to extend the time, that will be done. But we will work within with the scope of time that we have now to see to it that as many bills as possible has been passed. But we will never let the country down.
Time is very little for this Parliament to pass crucial bills that are already pending in the floor of the House, awaiting passage, failure to which may pose a risk to the implementation of the new Constitution. Samuel Tawish, GBS News.